What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am in the Family Dollar Dollar Tree combo store, or the Dollar Tree Family Dollar combo store, however you want to say it. And I just found a brand new lotion for $1. I love that we're seeing scents and Nouvelle products here in the combo store that we don't see in regular Dollar Trees. Like, look at this, you guys, the Japanese cherry blossom. The packaging is so cute. I really like the Nouvelle products. And then of course we have Dermasil. We do see these in Dollar Tree. Cocoa butter, aloe fresh. This one is the dry skin treatment. We also have a little Gold Bond Ultimate Healing Aloe Lotion for $1. And then some of these Nouvelle hand soaps. Even more here. We have some $1 bath bombs. Over here we have a facial cleansing buff, various masks for $1. The Freeman sheet masks, peel off masks, mud face pack, those are $1. We also have the cleansing nose strips, and then down here we have a bunch of $1 wipes by Global Beauty Care. Cucumber, the vitamin C one is out. Green tea, I've never seen that one before. Cocoa butter and charcoal. Again, here's another Nouvelle product that we don't normally see at Dollar Tree. Here it's $3.35. And it's a dupe for the Gentle Skin Cleanser by Cetaphil, which is an amazing cleanser. We also have the facial serums for $1. We have the collagen skin cream for $1. Let's go down here a little bit. Of course, we have the regular makeup items that we normally see here at Family Dollar, but we do have some $1 options. That's normally $3 by LA Colors. Eyebrow pencils. Just look for the $1 tags. All of the glossy lips by LA Colors, glossy lips. We also have some $1 mascaras. A cuticle remover. So anything by the Modessa brand seems like it's $1 over here. A variety of tweezers that are sold out. We even have Nouvelle nail polish remover for $1.25. We have bigger containers of Nouvelle for $2. That's a 10 ounce. And then we have the smaller ones for $1.25. And then over here we have the super jumbo cotton balls. The cotton swab applicators. I've been kind of updating you guys on this area. We have the powder, a big Nouvelle cocoa butter. We have Dove soap. We have Swab soap. That's a twin pack. We have some 3-in-1 and 2-in-1s. Also, we have the cucumber melon by Nouvelle. That's a lotion. And we also have the spa luxury lotions. Let's see if I missed anything over here. Oh, the scrubbies are $1. More from Modessa. Vanilla honey, coconut ginger, cucumber melon, moonlight orchid, and pink grapefruit are also $1. Let's come over here to the Christmas aisle. Ooh, all the Christmas paper is here. We get 30 square feet of gift wrap. All of these are 30 square feet. The ornament sippers. I know I've shown you guys some of these items in the past. I'm just looking for new things. Floral mailboxes, those are $5. The little deer, these are $3. We also have Joy, also $3. These are so cute. Wish you a Merry Christmas. These are $5. And these, I believe, are $3. Yeah, these are just $3. The super cute countdown calendars, these are $3. If you guys remember my haul, this is the one I chose. $3. It's so cute. I just found these brand new LED lanterns. These are $5 each. Super pretty. And this is new this year. This is $7. And these are $5. Another one for $7. This up here is brand new for $5. We also have Noel for $5. My store is a brand new combo store, so they're still like trying to get everything together. But they have a lot of toys over here. The bubble snap spinners, the $10 plush robes, the plush pajama sets for men and women. Those range from $10 to $12. So sleep sets and robe sets. We also have little socks up here. These are $3, 2 pairs of socks. We also have the $3 2 packs of lady socks. They look super soft. Oh, they are really soft. They're like that chenille material. Yes, you guys, this store is definitely under construction, so to speak. It's a brand new combo store, and they're very short-staffed here. So everything's taking a while to get put out. Well, hey, you guys, that's it for this video. I have a whole other half to share with you. This video ended up being close to 20 minutes long. So come back to my very next Dollar Tree Family Dollar combo store shopping trip. We're going to look at more $1 items. We're going to take a look at the freezer. We're going to see what this brand new combo store has to offer. We're going to look at like snacks, cleaning supplies. I think I shared some home things as well. Anyways, you guys don't want to miss it, so definitely look out for my very next video. It will be coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.